meditative journaling, the magic bench of dreams, meeting my mom. Write in your journal 3 questions to unload the information that will help you to transform your energies to manifest your dream. And the question number 1: what dream is alive in my heart right now? Quietly or loudly asking to be alive. Question number 2: what vibration must I embody to align with this dream? Courage, peace, trust, joy, or devotion? Question number 3: if my inner image of a perfect loving mother were cheering me on, what would she want me to know about my dream? Invite answers. Don't force it, just invite him and see what comes to your mind. Breathe and pause. Write down from the heart. Give yourself a moment. You can pause this video, and whenever you're ready, we begin. Take a slow, gentle breath in and soft, releasing breath out. Allow your body to settle. Allow your mind to soften. Allow your soul to open. Breathe with your belly. You can adjust your body, you can stretch a little bit and dive deeper. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck, relax your face, relax your eyes, and dive deep. Today you are invited to meet your mom. Not only the woman of this lifetime, but the soul level mother who agreed to bring you to this life. If your mama is here, imagine her in the best version of life possible. Healthy, peaceful, radiant, smiling. If she's not around, or if childhood was not easy, you're free to create the image of loving, supportive mom. Because on a soul level, she wants you to thrive. She wants your success. Deep inside, she signed up with you to guide you through for this journey. Pause here and feel gratitude. Because of her, you were born. Because of her, life continued. And because of her, your soul arrived. On a higher level, your mama agreed to be your guide into this world. She gave you the most precious gift of all, life itself. Everything else, challenges, lessons, gifts, came as a bonus for growth. Make a deeper inhale and slowly exhale. And you agree to come through your mom because she wired exactly the way your soul needed. She was the best mother for this lifetime for you, for this journey, for this mission. Breathe in, breathe out gratitude. Now imagine yourself standing in a beautiful forest. The ground beneath your feet is soft and supportive. A gentle path stretches out in front of you, calling you. And you take a first step. And with each step, you feel more grounded, you feel more calm, you feel more aligned with the surrounding around you. With each step, air feels fresher. The colors around you grow richer. Breathe with your belly. The forest welcomes you like an old friend. Green around you become more deeper. Golden sparkles in between leaves. And you feel guided. Ahead of you, trees gently open into clearing. Light shimmering, golden and silver, alive and warm, more mystical. You feel a little bit excited. And there is, in the center of this opening, you see a sacred space. And you see the magic bench of the dreams. It feels very familiar to you. Feels like it's always been waiting for you. It feels like bench calling you over. calling you to step forward. You feel drawn to it naturally and effortlessly. With every step closer, your vibration begins to rise. Your energy starts to match the frequency of this very space. And you know, when you sit there, you may ask for anything you're ready to receive. And now, with each step, you recall that dream that you want to manifest. You want to step into that parallel reality where you already own this very vibration, this very state of being, living your dream, already embody your dream. And just see how you see yourself. You come closer to the bench already, having in mind that very dream. You know you can get anything you want here. Like a child asking for something simple, but yet so exciting and powerful. In this very magic place, everything possible. And you, like a child, raising that vibration of gratitude and knowing that you get it. Because it's so simple and it's so beautiful and make you shine. Just connect with this vibration. And now you sit on this bench and you start to feel this vibration, and bench hear you, and bench hear what you want, and your frequency matches with your dream. Every cell in your body matches the stream. And now you see image of your mom. The best ever image you can see. You can imagine your mom. She's come close to you. She's happy. She's shying. She smiles at you. She adores you. She's in a very good mood. She vibrates all this beautiful energy towards you, happy to see you. And you radiate that reality you are in right now, this parallel reality, and your mama in parallel reality as well. So, and now you both look at each other and hear that gentle voice telling you, I'm so happy that you have such a beautiful, big dream. Go for it. I love to see you there. I love to see you shine like this. and feel how your energy and your frequency start to vibrate even higher, because you feel this support, that really support within, support on a soul level. You see yourself in the best way possible, in the best version possible. You see your mom in the best version possible. And to have this beautiful connection, reinforce this energy, and beautiful music start to appear from this connection. Beautiful melody start to come up with this connection. Stay with this for a moment. And now you see how this beautiful peace between both of you grows. And when you have peace inside, it goes in radiant from inside out. And this very vibration start to attract to you what you radiate. And see this beautiful energy exchange start to go and grow. And you feel and you see, you imagine how world around you become so much more generous to you. Because you simply appreciate the state of being you're in. You appreciate this beautiful transition and transformation of energy into reality you see yourself in. Make a deeper inhale and slowly exhale. Relax your belly. Allow it to come to you. Invite it to you. Invite all these vibrations into your body, into every cell of your body. And imagine how doors open in front of you. Wonderful, generous, beautiful people come to you. How you see these beautiful connections. Unexpected terms of things and solutions favorable to you. Relax your belly, allow yourself to accept and take it in. Feel the trust within you grow and abundance flow. Feel how whole world become more welcoming with open arms, ready to give you all you want. And as you sit here on a bench and all this energies around you opens up and shows you all this vibration shifting within you, you begin to feel a pleasant warmth along your spine. And this vibration comes from your feet up to your spine, to top to your head, and like channel open up here. And you start to receive information that you're ready for. The new codes that come to you from this channel, you channeling for yourself. And maybe something you don't understand, you don't have to. All you need to be is open. You protected and guided. You will get exactly what you're ready for. Trust and be open. Energy move gently and intelligently. Reprogram every cell of your body for your reality, new parallel reality that is yours. You live your dream now, and you make right now the moment where your body start to adjust to this reality gently, to expand your comfort zone. Welcome new possibilities and opportunities. And subconsciously you say to your body while you're here that it's okay, you're safe. It's a beautiful experience that we will go through and enjoy life even more, deeper and expand wider and keep our energy transform, our vibration high. And you notice how the old patterns start to shift and transform. Those old patterns very important. Those patterns help you to be here so you can push against and grow even more and rise more. You see how those old beliefs soften and transform as well. You don't need to understand everything. Your intuition knows how to translate these codes within. Just allow, just trust, and let go. You guided. You silently receive success, expansion, comfort with joy, new trust in abundance. Abundance is pleasant. And new identity with your dream. Allow all these programs install effortlessly in your body, in your mind, and in your nervous system. Whisper to yourself, I receive what serves me. I receive support for my becoming. I expand with ease. I grow with grace. I choose my truth. I honor my pace. Your comfort zone stretches gently and lovingly. Breathe with your belly. It feels familiar. Take it with a joy. And now more images appearing in front of you, more images you see about yourself, ideas, unexpected ideas. You see glimpse of your dream alive, possible and real. Those ideas given only to you, only for this lifetime right now. You can tell yourself and hear that your mom say the same. You're successful. You are shining. You live a wonderful life. Allow yourself. It's all yours. You can whisper to yourself, I'm safe to dream. I'm ready to receive. I'm supported, seen, and guided. I trust the path unfolding before me. My dream and I are vibrationally aligned. Vibrationally aligned. Universe, hear only your vibration. What you vibrate on, keep this vibration now in your body. Notice difference. Anchor this very feeling in your body. This is your new reality. And sustain it, keep it. This is how you keep it. You keep your vibration. You breathe your new vibration. Feel your body recognize this reality. Your nervous system learning safety in expansion. and your heart learning a new joy, slightly different, because this is new reality. Your nervous system recoding, reprogram. This is new reality that you shifted into, and you live your new reality now. Keep your vibration high. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Notice the difference in energy shift. And now you see yourself sitting on this beautiful bench of dreams. Now you integrate everything within. Vision of your mom, understanding of your new reality, and this new vibration and peace within that you feel you start to radiate from inside out. How your energy and magnet and you as a magnet change. So you attract what you want in a new way. You carry new energy, new clarity, new codes within you. And now you get up from this beautiful bench of dreams. You found this path taking you back. You're slowly coming back. You can make a deeper inhale and slowly exhale. You can move your fingers, move your toes, make a stretch and yawn. Come back to your body. Or you can simply fall asleep to integrate this energy even deeper. And I will see you in the next video. I attach 3 more questions for you to journal in the end.